What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're jumping back into the crown with a little bit of an informative video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your glove box. So I know it seems quite simple, but until you actually get in there and do it, there's like a panel here that covers there, that covers there, that covers there. So it's a little process. So we'll quickly jump down there. I'll show you exactly how to do it so you don't break anything, you don't crack your dash, and everything's all Mickey Mouse. All right, so let's jump into it. Okay guys, so to pull out your glove box, just down here, I'll show you all the parts that you need to touch. So you've got 4 pinch clips down here. You'll feel them. They're pretty gentle, so be careful with them, guys. It's a brittle 2000s Japanese car. So it's literally just push it with your thumb. See, I don't know if you guys can see it, but 1, 2, 3, and then there's 4 over there, and it's literally it's just push and it pops down. So that's real easy. Okay, and again, the old trusty M10. We've got 1, 2, 3 M10 bolts. Now to get access to this one, you're going to have to pop this panel out. If you want to see how to pop that panel out, it's really easy. You literally grab it here, pull it directly forward. But I have got a video pulling out this whole dash section, which you can find up here, and you can just see how to pull it out there if you're worried. But don't worry too much, it's just a direct pull out with a bit of pressure. All right, then you pull out these 3 bolts. Now be careful, this is your airbag, so you probably want to disconnect your battery first. And then just a little gentle tug. And she'll pop out of place. Then you're going to have one, 2, 3 screws to pull out from the top. And you're going to have 1 and 2 screws to pull out from the bottom. Just Phillips heads, so pull them out. And then a gentle tug. And she's out. All right, so thanks for coming along for that little glove box removal informative video. I hope that's really helped someone, and I hope it just makes things a lot smoother for anyone who needs to pull out the glove box. You will need this for future videos that I'm going to do, some install videos, so maybe like it, so it's in your liked videos. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, because I'm here Mondays and Thursdays, 8 AM Melbourne time. New video every single Monday and Thursday, 8 AM. All right, so yeah, apart from that, see you guys in the next one.